I want to give you an insider look at the Cash Flow Club. Now, on the website, cashflowinvestingpro.com, and the very first thing when you land on the website is the Cash Flow Club. And I get a lot of questions of like, what is this? Yes, we make one-pagers. We make a lot of one-pagers. This is a one-pager. A one-pager is a one-page summary of a stock, its 10-year history, the 5 key attributes: revenue growth, earnings growth, strong free cash flow, low debt, and well priced, as well as a forecast of EBITDA, a forecast of free cash flow, chart, and a little summary of what we think the stock's going to do in the next 10 years. And we're covering about 200 stocks, and we produce these. And what I recommend you do is you find companies that you truly like. Hopefully you use the service or the products. You print the one-pager out and you keep it on your desk, and at some point the stock will fall, hopefully, in the range that the return is attractive, then you can buy it. And it's a great thing because it gives you all the relevant material you need to start looking into an investment. So when the market falls like it has, you have got a foundation of research already waiting for you. Let's take a deeper dive into the Cash Flow Club. Now, we have a lot of members in there. We're kicking out a lot of amazing stocks that are truly yielding high cash flow. And I wanted to give you a preview of exactly what's inside the Cash Flow Club. Let's take a look. When you arrive in the Cash Flow Club, you arrive at the landing page where we post everything. Now, it's blog style, so the most recent post is always at the top, but you can scroll down or you can search and you can find the stock that you're looking for. For example, my analysis of Tesla stock and its recent crash, now up to 77% of stock market value, despite hitting the 10 million cars sold. You can take a look at that stock. And if you keep scrolling down, you're going to find other stocks like Applied Materials. Now, if you click into the actual post, you're going to get a lot more detail than just the one-pager. We show you year-to-date returns, and perhaps if a stock is down year-to-date, although the fundamentals are sound, you could possibly buy it on the cheap and get a good deal. If you keep scrolling down, we give you ideas like cumulative return. Had you held this stock for the last decade, you would have made 1,400%. How do we call those stocks out for you? That's what we're trying to show you. Trying to show you different ways to view the data, view the stock, to tell you which stock is a good deal. This is one of my favorite charts. This chart shows the dividends that are distributed as well as the share buybacks, the total dollar amount that the company is either buying back shares with or buying back stock. If by combining these two, you can see this stock is actually yielding about 10% free cash flow, but they choose to buy back a whole host more stock than dividend. So if you're looking at just a dividend yield of a stock company, you're missing the big boat. You must include share-based buybacks as well. And finally, we have the all post, where basically we pin this to the top of the board and we show every stock that we have made a one-pager for. You can scroll through, you can search to find what you're looking for. Now, we're not covering every stock. So we get about 200 stocks, but the list is growing. And what we try to do is find stocks that we believe are truly wonderful business and produce a tremendous amount of cash flow. And hopefully, if we watch them over time, they will come down to a price where they become very attractive. That's the thesis. We're not trying to cover the entire stock market because there's a lot of garbage out there. We want to cover the very best stocks and then wait for them to come to us. I hope you enjoyed the deep dive into the Cash Flow Club. I hope you become a member.